Greetings, everyone. Welcome again to Cheap Charlie's Tours. We're on another nature adventure, and we're heading to the Dennery Waterfalls slash zip line. And this is nature at its best. This is as good as it gets, guys. All right, so just picture yourself out of the UK, out of Europe, out of the US, out of Canada, and you are now in St. Lucia, and this consider this to be your first nature tour. All right, so come with me as we explore this and lots more. Can be a slippery slope, not so slippery today, and of course the footpath is all right. Yep, going down, so we're heading down to the waterfalls. It's all right. Many people do travel these parts without having a tour guide. St. Lucia, simple but beautiful. Nature at its best. Welcome again for those who are just tuning in. Welcome to Cheap Charlie's Tours St. Lucia, where you get the best prices in tours. We also do airport pickups, drop off, etc. etc. Yes. So if you are planning to visit St. Lucia, take advantage of Cheap Charlie's Tours. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, comment, share, turn on notification bell, because we upload 2 to 3 videos every week. So this is called the Dennery Waterfalls and zip lining. We also have zip lining, so many guests come here from all over the world just to take advantage of the waterfall and also zip lining. Quite an adventure, don't you think? Leave your comment in the comment section. Bear in mind that St. Lucia #1 income is tourism, followed by banana. So we do banana export to the UK and other parts of the Caribbean. Welcome again to the Dennery Waterfalls and Zip Lining area. That was funny. That was epic. I missed the fall. Right, so on a normal day we'll have guests and locals alike having a nice bath in this big bath here. Water is nice and cold. Yeah, and of course we got some of the locals here as well. Yeah, Papa. Yeah, so the waterfall is not as heavy today as normally is because we are not in the rainy season. So just think about it, when it comes to rainy season, here we have massive flow coming down from the top of this mountain. All right, we are here in the tropics, the island of the West, St. Lucia. Beautiful island called St. Lucia. And of course, we are at the Dennery waterfalls and zip line. Yeah, guys, so we have come to the end of another nature tour today here in St. Lucia. Please remember to like, subscribe, comment to Cheap Charlie's Tours. And if you wish to visit St. Lucia at any time, don't be afraid to give Cheap Charlie a ring. You can email Cheap Charlie's Tours at harrystylingcontractors@gmail.com. That is harrystylingcontractors@gmail.com. Or you could leave a comment on Facebook or just give me a ring. Yeah, guys, for those who wish to book, could book on Facebook at cheapcharliestours.com. Pop onto Facebook, look me up, and click the book or call button. Alrighty, and we'll take it from there. We're always more than happy to compare prices, and you will find out at the end of the day that Cheap Charlie is the number one as it relates to beating prices here in St. Lucia. So that was the Dennery waterfalls. Come to the end of the video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe. Alrighty. And to take it even further, contact Cheap Charlie. We'll be more than happy to answer any question posed. Bye for now.